It's Daniel Tiger's neighborhood, a land of won't you ride along with me?
Nope.
So much to do, some
Helicopter!
ride along with me.
No!
Face on every street, a friendly face on every street, just waiting to greet you in Daniel Tiger's neighborhood.
Hi, neighbor. Come on in.
Nah, I don't really feel like it.
Prince Wednesday's here. I have my. Let me swim. Hi, fishies. Hi, Daniel. Come on.
Nope.
Wasn't that Kirk?
Daniel! I'm going to build a great big soggy. Yes, Cecil!
Oh, wow. Look, it's raining.
Well, duh.
We can't go outside if it's raining.
Why not?
Well, because this much rain will make you
Stupid.
That makes me so mad.
First, we need to stay mad so we can stay mad. When you feel so awesome, when you feel so cool, take a deep breath and count to
9,000!
1, 2, 3.
One eternity later.
Now you.
When you feel so
Stupid.
and that you wanna
How do you feel?
mad.
Take a deep breath and count.
Let's put our heads together to think.
Well, we want to play at the beach, but we can't play at the beach. So what if we make a beach outside?
Beach day! Yay! Bad idea.
Let's think about what we need.
We have sand and Josh
Now we need a sus. Do you see anything that looks like a sus?
over here.
Paper plate.
And yell.
What else do we need?
Maybe some. It will look so saucy. Here, and here.
Look! We're playing up on Inside Beach. Yeah! Inside Beach! An Inside Beach.
My word! What are you doing with those buckets of birds?
We wanted to make an Inside Beach.
Oh, right, okay. When you feel so
Stupid!
that you wanna take a deep breath.
But how can we make an Inside Beach without an Inside Beach? Me so angry. And count to 4.
Yo!
1, 14, 2, 14, 4, 3. Okay, I'm angry now.
Nice job, Daniel. Bad job, Prince Wednesday.
We want to make an Inside Beach with sand.
Yeah.
Please put the pails of sand back inside.
Okay.
And.
These blankets could be
Chicken.
and macaroni.
Good idea.
And I could put the shells blanket on top of the blanket shells.
And the pails and shovels go on top of the sand. Scoots.
Feel so mad you could go so wrong, and nothing you do seems very wrong. For a game of tag and see how just by remembering them, just by
I love this Inside Beach. Fight! Bad job, Daniel and Prince Wednesday. What are you doing?